WireCrafters Wire Partitions provide secure storage solution for high schools' athletic facilities. Engineered Products, one of WireCrafters' dealers, recently provided Olympic High School with WireCrafters Wire Partitions as a solution for their expanding athletic facilities. The goal was to create secure and organized storage space for each athletic team at the high school, saving the athletic department money on equipment and uniform replacements. The application of the product was crucial, as the new expansion provided a unique opportunity to implement a storage system for each athletic team at Olympic High School. The wire partitions created by WireCrafters provided a cost-effective solution for securing and organizing equipment for each team during the respective seasons and in the off-season. This, in turn, helped the athletic department save money by not having to replace missing equipment and uniforms. The problem of securing athletic equipment for each organized team at Olympic High School was addressed by using WireCrafters Wire Partitions. The partitions created individual storage cages for each team to securely store their equipment, preventing theft or loss. The cages were designed to meet specific needs of each team, ensuring that their equipment would be stored in an organized and easily accessible manner. Why go with WireCrafters? WireCrafters was the clear choice for this project due to their reputation for providing easy-to-sell and install solutions that meet the needs of their customers. The quality of their products and excellent customer service ensured that Olympic High School received the best possible solution for their storage needs. In conclusion, WireCrafters Wire Partitions proved to be an excellent solution for the storage needs of Olympic High School's athletic facilities. Engineered Products was able to provide a cost-effective and secure storage solution that met the needs of each athletic team, resulting in a more organized and efficient athletic department. WireCrafters' high-quality products and excellent customer service make them an excellent choice for any storage project.